Open Steam. Start SteamVR. Now you could unplug the controls from charging, and you could also turn the controls on. Wait for everything to get green. Start Vred. You can import your file into Vred with IGES or STEP, or directly with an Alias file. Put some nice materials on your parts, and then in Vred change to Open VR Display. You could use the thumb button to teletransport you wherever you like. Look at the arrow, that will be the direction that you will look at. You could also use the trigger button to activate something in your model. Enjoy!